The expression 90 times y to the fifth power negative 54 times y to the fourth power is equivalent to r times y to the fourth power times 15y negative 9, where r is a constant. What is the value of r? Since this expression is equivalent to this one, we can write this one as an equation, that is 90 times y to the fifth power negative 54 times y to the fourth power is equal to r times y to the fourth power times 15y negative 9. Okay, here, when I consider the expression on the right side, it is in factored form. So let's get the factored form of the expression we have on the left side. Usually to get the factored form of an expression, we have to consider the greatest common divisor of the terms we have in the expression. When I consider the greatest common divisor of 90 and 54, I get 9. But when I factor this expression, I must be getting these numbers of 15 and 9 inside the parenthesis. So I must factor 6 out from 90 and 54, so that I'll be able to get these two numbers 15 and 9 inside the parenthesis. And the greatest common divisor of this y to the fifth power and y to the fourth power is just y to the fourth power. So now what we can do is we can factor 6 times y to the fourth power out from the two terms over here. Okay, now to get the stuff inside the parenthesis, we have to divide both the terms by the one I factored, that is 6 times y to the fourth power. When I divide this one by 6 times y to the fourth power, I am getting 15y. When I divide this one by 6 times y to the fourth power, I am getting negative 9. On the right side, we can write this stuff as it is. That is r times y to the fourth power times 15y negative 9. Now let's divide both sides of the equation by y to the fourth power times 15y negative 9. Let me do the same thing on the right side. That is y to the fourth power times 15y negative 9. Okay, here this y to the fourth power times 15y negative 9, and the same will cancel out, and the same here we have on the right side. We have 6 left on the left side. On the right side we have r. Here I got the value of r. The value of r is 6.